Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nurul Hadi bin Nur Azhar. My matrix number is 821826667. So I want to present our introduction. First, I would like to tell about our objective. First, to help us better grasp business mathematics, and we can learn on how to use it in our workplace. Second, to understand on how to calculate employee salary, interest of loan, asset depreciation, monthly payment for a newly formed enterprise. Third, to comprehend the department labor recruitment through day-to-day operation. Question number 1, company detail and employees information. Our company name is PCK Printing. We get 15 employees and 12 department. The department is administrative department, financing department, human resource department, marketing department, production department, and sales department. We also have warehouse department, assembly department, customer service, delivery service, and cashier. For range hour work per week between 30 ringgit to 40 ringgit, and our hourly pay range between 9 ringgit 30 cents and 13 ringgit 30 cents.
Assalamualaikum. My name Aina Nasuha binti Muhammad Razi and my matric number is A21A2373. Okay, now I will present our payroll report. So today date is on 24 June 2021 and payroll week ending date is on 18 June 2021. So the payroll report item we have is employee name, hourly rate, regular hour, overtime hour, regular pay, overtime pay, commission, piecework earning and gross pay. And our overtime rate is 1.5. Our piecework is 25 per unit. Okay, now I will present 5 formula that we use to calculate our payroll report. So the first one is regular pay. Hourly rate times regular hour. For overtime pay, hourly rate times overtime rate times overtime hour. For commission, total sales times commission rate. For piecework earning, number of unit products times per unit rate. And last one is gross pay, regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission plus piecework earning. Now we move to question 2, interest amount and future value. Okay, how we calculate loan from relative. So for interest amount of loan from relative, we use formula I equal to PRT. So P is 10,000, R is 2.5%, T 18 months equal to 1.5 years. So I we have 375 ringgit. So for value future, we use formula 1 plus RT. So price is 10,000, R is 5%, T 18 months equal to 1.5 years. So we have S RM 10,375 ringgit. How we calculate Bank Mega interest amount? So we use formula I equal to PRT. So we have I equal to RM 10,500 ringgit. And for value future, we use formula S equal to P times 1 plus I times N. So price we have RM 16,000, K is 3.5%, T is 5 years, M equal to 2. How we get M equal to 2? Because compounded semi-annually. And I equal to K Per M, we have 0.035 over 2, and N equal to M times T, we have 10. So we can conclude that we have RM 71366.67. For promissory notes, we have 7 months, and so January we have 31 days, but we minus 10 because we start from 10 January 2022. We have 21 days only. February 28, March 31, April 13, May 31, June 30, and July 23. So we times all the day, we have 194 days.
Assalamualaikum, I am Amir Ikhwan Bayesani, metric number A21A2392. Today I'm going to present about the question 3. First, about the question 3A, we need to identify the asset. So I identify 3 assets, which is first the custom printing machine, which is the useful for life is 5 years, the cost is 50,000 ringgit, and the salvage value is 10,000. Secondly, we got cash register machine, which the useful life of 6 years, where the cost is 10,000 and the salvage value is 6,000 ringgit. So 3, we got the price checker machine for useful life of 4 years, costing 40,000 ringgit, and the salvage value is 2,000 ringgit. B, we need to get the depreciation using the declining balance method. So we are going to find the depreciation of the custom printing machine for the 6 years using the declining balance method. So we get the cost of 50,000 ringgit, the salvage value is 10,000, and the end is 6 years. So for the 5 years, so we need to N is the 5. So annual rate of depreciation is R equals to 1 minus by N over SV over C. So we get R equals to 0.27522036 or 0.2552. So the total depreciation, we need to find the cost minus by the salvage value. So we get the 50,000 ringgit as the cost minus 10,000 ringgit as the salvage value. So we get the total depreciation is 40,000 ringgit. So yeah, here is the depreciation schedule using the declining balance method for the 5 years. So next, we need to find the depreciation schedule for 5 years using the sum of year method. We use the same machine here, is the custom printing machine, with the same cost and the same salvage value as long as the same of years that we are going to find. But for the annual rate of depreciation, you use S equals to N plus 1 divided by 2. So after we got all, we got the R is 1 over 15. So we need to find the depreciation using the sum of year method. So this is the schedule of the 5 years until we get the book value at the end of the years is 10,000 ringgit.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Kamal Hisham bin Mazlan, so I will continue the question 3. For the amount of payment, if the invoice is paid on the 30 March 2022, for the period equals 23 March minus 30 March equals 7 days for get the discount. For the discount equals 7%, invoice for the machinery cost equals 50,000 ringgit. For the solution on this question, for cash discount equals 0.07 multiples 50,000 ringgit equals 3,500 ringgit. Next, for the payment equals invoice amount 50,000 ringgit minus cash discount 3,500 ringgit equals 46,500 ringgit. So supplier A reaches 46,500 ringgit from KKP TIF short as a payment. For the next question, if the invoice is paid on the 15 April 2022, for the period equals 23 March minus 5 April equals 30 day get discount. For the discount equals 5%, invoice for the machinery cost equals 50,000 ringgit. For the solution on this question, cash discount equals 0.05 multiples 50,000 equals 2,500 ringgit. For the payment, invoice amount 50,000 ringgit minus cash discount 2,500 ringgit equals 47,500 ringgit. So supplier B reaches 47,500 from KKP TIF short as a payment.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Azuha Najla binti Azwa. My student number is A21A2816. I will continue the presentation for question 4. Based on the bank loan that your company has identified in table 1, 6% compound monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. By using the formula stated in the slide, we get the answer for monthly payment is Rm 5,163 ringgit and 99 cents. This is the calculation for period 1. Our total paid is 5,163 ringgit and 99 cents. For interest paid, by using the formula I equal to PRT, we get the answer 300 ringgit. For the principal paid, we get the answer is 4,863 ringgit and 99 cents. The answer for ending balance is 55,136 ringgit and 1 cents. Total interest paid is 300 ringgit and the total principal paid is 4,863 ringgit and 99 cents. This slide shows the calculation for period 2. The total paid for period 2 is 10,327 ringgit and 98 cents. By using the formula I equal to PRT, the interest paid are 275 ringgit and 68 cents. Principal paid is 4,888 ringgit and 31 cents. The ending balance is 50,247 ringgit and 70 cents. The total interest paid is 575 ringgit and 68 cents. Lastly, for the total principal paid, we get the answer 9,752 ringgit and 30 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syawak Ashraf bin Azmi. My metric number is 81A2607. So for the conclusion of our assignment, we can conclude that this assignment illustrates the real market of industry. We can learn the detailed calculation from the business mathematics course. We employ this calculation formula based on what we learned by applying it to this task. We learn how to calculate overtime rates, commission, and peaceful earnings. As well, we also create payroll report based on the things provided. Our company requires total 100,000 for company startup expense. We also require to pay monthly payment 5,163.99 ringgit depending on the total of amount being loaned. Our company use 3 types of equipment: custom printing machine, cash register machine, and price checker machine. Finally, our group determined this project is very important to our cost. This assignment will demonstrate how to use and apply fundamental understanding of business mathematics. Lastly, we want to thanks to our lecturer, Madam Nurul Izian, and also to all of our friends that have allowed to complete this assignment. That's all from me. Thank you.